YouTube water. That is so crazy. Hello everyone, welcome to the first official freaking day of Vidcon 2018. I'm excited, you know it. I got up super late, as you probably saw. Why am I so red? As you probably saw it on my video yesterday, I got very drunk last night.
This boy's drunk as shit. Hold up your beer, we know you're drinking. He's drunk, he's vlogging. I don't know why he's vlogging, he's drunk. I vlog when I'm drunk too, bro.
Chris plus open bar equals drunk Chris. And there was Chris plus alcohol anywhere in the vicinity equals drunk Chris. So because there's no bar, it was only wine and beer. And I'm like, I was not expecting to get drunk off of wine because, like, I mean, I've never really been drunk off of wine. So I was like, oh yeah, you know, Pinot Grigio, whatever. And I had like 4. And then I had one more, and then I was plastered, and I don't know, it was just crazy, and it was really cool. It was a lot of fun, and yeah, I met some awesome people yesterday. So you know how yesterday Wyatt and I, we tried to get into the, well, we got into Mob Crash, I can't even pronounce the name, Mob Crash gifting suite. We got in, but I don't have 10,000 followers, so it's not like they didn't give me anything free. But last night at the K1 Speed thing, I met a couple people that are hosting an event at the Broadband TV Lounge, and they were like, hey, why don't you come along? And me and James from Fun Foods, he got invited too, and so they were like, yeah, why don't you guys come to the Broadband TV Lounge? And they put our name on the list. So we're gonna go to the Hyatt in a little bit and go to the Broadband TV Lounge. That should be really cool. They have free freaking Dippin' Dots. They have, I don't even know what else. I'm just excited about that. They had massages last year. Oh my god, it's so amazing. So yeah, I'm actually about to meet one of my roommates right now. His name is Sydney, I think. He'll be here in like 10 minutes. I have such a bad headache. I think I need some coffee, so I'm gonna also run down and get some coffee in a little bit. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a second. Oh shit. So we just picked up our pass. So we're at the Broadband TV Lounge, just checking it out. They actually have massage like things. What do you call them? I don't even know. Massage chairs, whatever. A professional masseuse over there. They have some food over there, and then they have a professional headshot taker over there. So I'm probably gonna get a couple of pictures taken.
They work fine.
Yeah.
You know. Seriously, let me know.
Yeah, we don't shoot those.
Working, Chris. Come on.
Come on, Chris.
They have fortune cookies that say Broadband TV on them. That's so cool. They have like some free stuff here. Like a swag station. I don't even know. A pop socket. I kind of want a pop socket too. That's so cool. They have orange butter. They have honey butter.
No, you don't realize how to die for.
I've never had honey butter. Oh my god.
You will crap a brick.
I love bagels. For that Creator Lounge, you do need a full screen thing, which we don't have, but it's okay. The Broadband TV Lounge is still really awesome, and yeah, there's another one right here, so we're gonna check it out. I was literally in the underwater setting for probably like a while. So if the video looked really weird, I'm sorry, but it's back to auto, so yeah. Guys, there's cookies here.
So there's.
Come on.
Like
So this is another lounge, the Collab Lounge. Just got a few hors d'oeuvres. I just ordered a caramel macchiato. This is the Facebook Creator Lounge. There's even food over there. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I put my Instagram right there, so hopefully some people will follow me. Oh shit. Oh wow. YouTube car, that's what they're gonna be, right? I mean, the people at the shuttles, it's YouTube cars.
They're like David Dobrik crap.
Oh, that kind of stuff?
It's for the real important people.
Not for us.
Not for us.
For you two.
We're a bunch of dangleberries over here.
Yeah. Here, Chris, I know you want. There's a souvenir. I knew you wanted.
Oh my god, that's so amazing. YouTube water. That is so crazy. So we were just at the creator lounges, and they have these glasses. Oh, now it's gonna be so loud.
Yeah, of course. You're gonna get copyrighted.
I know.
Not for work.
Basically, the Martinez twins were there, and they set these glasses down, and they only had the white ones, and I wanted the blue ones, so I picked it up, not even thinking that it was theirs. And I don't know, I just picked it up and took it, and so technically I stole the Martinez's twins glasses because they were.
You didn't know you'll steal.
I didn't know though.
Sorry guys,
I just,
you're watching.
Yeah, but yeah, I just took it and was like, oh, it was on the table. And apparently they just set it down though, but yeah, I thought that was funny.
It wasn't even ready.
We need these to get in, to get out. For every little thing, it's kind of crazy, but there's a creator lounge. There's a couple of them, I think. This is so different from last year. And literally to get in the creator lounge, you need to go through that. I mean, I get it, but it's kind of crazy. I'm gonna try to meet up with one of my friends and go in the creator lounge right now.
The tea.
Hey guys, so Prince and I are going to go to the creator lounge right now. I actually haven't even checked out the creator lounges at all on this. Hi, what's up? How are you? Good. I'm literally vlogging right now.
Sorry, bro.
No, it's fun. I'll see you around. No. These lights are so amazing. Oh wow. Wow. So this is the second creator lounge here at the convention center. Oh yeah, this one's a lot more low-key.
I was talking to one of the guys.
Wow, okay. Interesting.
It's chill.
What else do they have here? They have Adobe Cloud set
All
up.
of this stuff is like where it helps you edit. Like so they got lighting,
Yeah.
they got editing.
That's really sick.
It's chill.
Yeah.
And they got more panels over here.
Yeah, unfortunately, I didn't really go to any panels today because I just had a lot of going. Oh, there's what is that? Oh, vidIQ. But yeah, what else are we gonna do?
I have no clue. It's up to you.
All right, so
I love how I'm
just-
cut off on this thing.
I'll put it back here. So we're at the Marriott right now in the lobby. We just saw Benny Hine, Rocky Hine.
I think it's Benny. I think it was Benny.
I think it's Benny.
Insert photo here.
Yeah, put him. We just saw Benny Hine over there talking to a girl, and we're about to go up to him, but then he like left, and then he's catching an Uber right now. So but I don't really want to.
But I don't want to talk to him because I didn't get casted for Teens React.
Yeah, he would you emailed them or you're
Yeah, so I talk about it on my channel where I met them in person and then we both exchanged numbers in the emails and we did, we were both talking about like I wanted you to be on Teens React and I said yes, I'll love to do that. So he casted me there, never got to me, and haven't talked to him since. So it's kind of awkward seeing him in a hotel right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah. Hey guys, okay, so I'm here with Wyatt again. We are gonna get something to eat right now, probably. Yeah.
Hungry. Gotta fill our tummy.
Dylan.
I know that person.
What's up? How are you? I'm literally vlogging right now.
What's good?
Yeah, what's up? What's up? What camera do you have?
I have a T6i. I'm trying to get the ADD, but that's so much cooler because it's so light.
It's light, yeah. I want to get the ADD too, but it's heavy.
It is heavy.
What's up? How are you?
Or no, Jorge.
So, we're trying to get into the Rise 9 party. The thing is, you need 1 million followers to get in, which you know, he has, but they're being very exclusive. They're like,
Yeah, they don't want me. They're like, no, this dingleberry. It's probably my hair. I know what it is.
Yeah, it's what
it
we're
looks like
wearing.
I got like a freaking bowl cut here.
oh my god. Yeah, they're like, you definitely just have to be on the list. So we're like, yeah, whatever. I mean, but it looks, actually, I was gonna say it looks really cool, but we don't recognize anyone.
Yeah, I
all.
don't recognize a single soul. Oh, I know this guy.
Actually, I've seen him before, yeah.
That's that little K's man, you know, little K.
Is there no little
right there? He was on the, yeah.
Damn. That's her manager, Lil K?
It was. Or I don't know what she's doing now. But
Yeah, no clue. Wow.
I remember I saw a, YouTube, I don't know if it was H3 that did it, but I saw him in the back. I'm like, wait, I know that guy. I see him at Playlist all the time.
Didn't get into the party, but.
Yeah.
So I'm here with Angel.
Hi.
She's like one of the nicest people I've ever met, and I met her last year at Vidcon, and we went to Playlist DC together, or you know, I saw her in Orlando, and we're trying to get food. Of course, every place is closed, so we're literally just trying to figure out what to do.
Is there any food around here?
Restaurant.
Restaurant, that's all? Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So,
I don't know.
let's go get some lobster.
Maybe, do you want to search up? Oh shoot, my phone's disabled. I hate when that happens when I do like
It's fine,
in my
we
pocket.
can use mine.
Well, I was gonna say, do you want to look at maybe Postmates and see if there's like.
I've never done Postmates.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we're gonna order some food. I'm so I at events like this, I always forget to eat and like, you know, eat.
Same.
So
I forget how to live.
Yeah.
So
pretty much. So it'll be like 5-6 hours before I've eaten, and then I'll be like, oh, I need to eat. So yeah, okay. So I'll keep you guys updated.
Hi vlog. It's Angel. Your boy's getting a drink right now. We might go get pizza soon. I'm not exactly sure. This lighting is very bad. It's fine. So yeah, hi future Chris when you go to edit this video.
Okay guys, again, I completely forgot to end this video last night because I just went to bed and I was super tired. So, it's funny because the Rise 9 party last night, my roommate, he actually was invited. And he got into the Rise 9 party and he like came home and he was like, dude, it was so awesome. Well, actually I don't even know what he was like, oh, it was okay. But all the creators they weren't at the Rise 9 party, they were at the other party that James from Fun Foods, he went to. It was like a rooftop party and everyone was there. But you had to get a special pass for that one. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna end this video. Please like this video, subscribe, follow me on all my social media at iChrisbtv. And I'll see you guys for VidCon Day 2. It's happening today. And my voice is like gone already. So, okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
No one can do it like you.